Hello. Welcome to this Canon support tutorial. In this video tutorial, we will show you how to find, download, and install the Canon print application. Open your Apple App Store. Tap the search icon. Tap the search box to open your keyboard. Type in Canon Print. Tap Search. Ensure that the app has been created by Canon Inc. Tap the Get icon. Tap the Open icon. Review the optional conditions of use. Read the agreements, then tick the optional boxes if you agree. Tap OK to move to the next section. Tap Allow if you are happy for Canon to use your data to improve our products. Allow print to find devices on local network. This option is required for the correct functioning of the Canon print app. Tap Allow. You can now add your printer to the print application. This concludes the support tutorial on how to install the Canon print application.